Alright, so what do we have here? I think I know what this is. This is the other two covers for our generators. So, nothing major, but if they're going to be outside, they need to be covered. Alright, I already know what this is. This is the parallel connectors that will connect our two generators so we can run them parallel and get about 3,200 watts of energy to each camper. Alright, so what happened here is I accidentally ordered 3 of these when I only need 2 of them. So I'm going to have to send one back to Amazon because I don't need a third one. We are still leaning, and we're leaning pretty good over here. So we got a whole new leveling and chalk block set here. And I'm going to open this up. We're going to roll the camper back and see if we can't get this thing completely level. Alright, we're going to start with this bag. First thing is we use my trusty rake here. I mean this box, not this bag. Alright. Alright. So this is the 2 boat trailer things. Oh no, what are these? Those are leveler tops. Okay, so there's the leveler tops we ordered, and I think these are leveler tops. I got these. Alright, here is there's the chalk and dock here, whatever. This is gonna go over the front and hold that in place right there for the front of the camper. So you can see how that fits down in there. So we're going to roll this back a little bit, get it off of the set of levelers that we have, and then I'm going to build up a couple of sets of levelers with the chocks included with them, and I'll show you that in a little bit, and that will level up this camper once and for all. Okay, so this next box here, this should be everything else. Still in more boxes. Alright, I'm gonna have to open all these boxes. Let's start with this one. Oh. Alright, so this must be, might need my other hand for this. Okay, so there's the Lynx levelers, part of that kit that's gonna help level off this. I might have ordered 5, so I think I should have 5 of these. Okay, so each one of these boxes has 10 levelers. They look like big Legos for grown-ups. So we've got that. These 2 boxes are definitely the chocks that connect to these leveling blocks. I'll take those out, and then I will show you everything that we got, and I'll put a link in the description if you're interested in getting these. Okay, so here are the chalk blocks that go on to, they go connect right to these levelers, so that if you look at this picture here, you can see that the block connects right to the leveler, so you can chalk the wheel right onto the leveler and you don't need any extra pieces, which is pretty cool. Alright, so it took us a while, but we finally got the camper level. It was a lot more money than I thought we were going to spend, but in order to have a level camper and to be able to not fall into a wall when I get up in the middle of the night to take a leak is well worth it. It was worth whatever we spent on it. But let me show you how we did it and how it looks. If you're getting a camper, you can consider doing this yourself. Alright, here are all the chocks and blocks that go under both tires, and you can see how the chocks actually fit into the blocking system. This got us high enough to get the camper level from side to side. Since we were lower on this edge, we had to stack a few blocks on this side for the stabilizer. As you can see, we've got nothing on this side, but then 4 blocks and a cap over here. And then we've got the same thing over here. We had to raise this up a little bit or make sure it was stabilized because we were just on the edge of the driveway. That seems to be holding things in place pretty well. And then in the front here, we've got another block and a cap for this part. And then finally, dispersing the weight on this side is another cap and a block. All right, so we are finally level, front to back, side to side. It's been a big difference inside the camper.
A major difference
What?
inside the camper.
And who do we have here?
I don't feel like I'm walking sideways anymore, or that I'm going to fall out of my bed.
You know who really, I think, is enjoying the fact that the camper's level now?
Odin?
Odin, our dog. He did
Definitely.
not like it. It was very unnerving for him.
He just stood still and looked around and didn't want to move.
It's like, there's something wrong in here. Okay, so our campers are level. That's it. We're happy. They are level front to back, side to side. If you're interested in any of the gear that we purchased for our campers, I'm going to put that in the description below. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments. If you like this video, smash the like button. If you have any suggestions, if you're a seasoned camper and you have some ideas that might help us, please feel free to leave those in the comments. We would greatly value that. Thank you, and watch another video.